to another taste test.
Tuesday. Oh,
no, Tuesday.
I forgot. Okay, look, I
Uh-huh.
forgot.
So today we have Doritos. Oh gosh, another flaming hot Doritos lemon. And it looks like that. You probably hear Demetrius if you hearing him.
You do the right. Go up there. Right, yeah. Let's see. Yeah.
So it has a hint of lime in it. I'm thinking it's kind of like Takis, huh?
It might be.
Or the Dynamite, Dorito Dynamites. Probably so. So let's get into this video. Open it up.
I'll get a dollar for it.
What it smell like? Oh, it's got the smell. It do smell like Takis. It smells just like
Dynamites.
Takis or some Dynamites. Dorito Dynamites. Doritos always coming up with this hot stuff because they know these kids like this hot stuff. But it's coated big time.
Funny story. Mo got these the other day. Tell me why that boy came out of his room sweating.
Oh, that's all the time here.
Just,
so I'm scared. He was sweating.
And it was just this. It was just this.
These better not be very, very hot.
I'm gonna take this to school tomorrow. Don't ask me.
All right. Well, we're supposed to do 3, but here we go.
I'm so spicy about it.
That's what I'm talking about. Doritos, y'all know how to do it. Okay? They taste exactly like Takis. Exactly like the Dynamite. Flavor. I like that lemon, that lime. I like that lemon flavor. They know how to do it. From flavor, but it's not super hot.
Confused with the hotness.
Scale of 1 to 5. What you give it?
Hotness? It's a 0. Not my type.
Ooh, this one's super. I'm trying around. It's more. That was super red. Tastes more like lime. Let me see your tongue. That's real red. Real red. Y'all ain't even gotta ask me. Morgan, yay or nay?
I like the red one better.
It's a yay for me. Why? Because it's not super spicy, but it will leave some redness on that tongue. But that's all like food coloring, probably stuff that's too bad for us because it is not super hot. That is just false advertisement.
Oh shit. Oh
yeah, I can have that per bag. But it's a yay for me, especially like if I'm like I like the little Doritos Dynamites. But I think those are a little bit more spicier, huh? The Dynamites, they're a little bit more spicier, but they taste exactly like that. Exactly. So I don't see nothing kind of new about this. It's basically the same exact thing.
There ain't no lemon in it. That's the point.
Lemon. They do. You do taste the lemon or the lemon. You don't taste that? I taste it. As soon as I take a bite, you could taste it. If I was going on a long car ride, I could probably eat those without having water. Without having water, I could.
You might go to the bathroom in a long car ride.
Yeah, but it ain't nothing. It's not super spicy, so like right now I can stand it, and you know I don't do hotness.
So hopefully I could put them in a big bag.
I don't know. If you don't like it, then why have a big bag?
They might like it.
Whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Taste Test Tuesday. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe, get out of my
what? What? Like, comment, subscribe, get out my what? You see, she always telling somebody to get out something.
Out my Kool-Aid.
Let's say it again. Like, comment, subscribe.
Get out my what?
Whatever. So until next time, beautiful folks, I hope that everyone out there stay blessed, Say it, Morgan.
Us.
Bye, y'all.